We don't take lightly the responsibility of putting together a plan that really is right for you. I don't know that I've ever met a family that's exactly like any other family. At Rice & Rice, we've been doing estate planning and Medicaid planning for almost 50 years. The firm started in 1972 with my brother Don and I. Now my wife Donna is also an attorney. And our primary focus, it's virtually all we do, is estate planning, Medicaid planning, and probate. So estate planning has sometimes been described as getting your affairs in order so that when you get sick and die, you can pass along the control of your estate to the persons that you want to be in charge and give what you have to whom you want, the way you want, and when you want. And at the same time, to save every possible bit of taxes and probate expenses to minimize the hassle and paperwork for the people that you leave behind when you're gone, the people that you love. If you know someone who's died and they haven't really planned ahead and there is going to be probate, well, that's one of our areas of expertise too. We try to guide you through that process, minimize the hassle. We have paralegals that have been with us for as long as 45 or even 50 years, really highly skilled people who help facilitate that probate process and make it as painless and as expeditious as we possibly can, because after 50 years, we've learned how to do that.
One of the things that you'll find about Rice & Rice is that we are very family-oriented. We are focused in on getting to know you and your family and the needs of your family. And then we can work those things into the legal documents. So personalization is a great part of what we offer here. And we have great staff to help implement those personalizations.
At Rice & Rice, we don't just do estate planning. We also are elder law attorneys. So we represent clients who are concerned as they age about the high cost of nursing homes. We also do Medicaid planning, and that is so important when it comes to planning for your family. We can do a living trust, of course, which we do for most of our clients to avoid probate. We can also do a protective trust. I would guess there's almost nothing we haven't seen over the many years. And when you handle thousands, many thousands of estate plans over many, many years, it becomes almost routine to know exactly the solution that particular family needed in that exact situation.
One of the great things you'll find at Rice & Rice is that we have a large staff. You will work with a number of people when you work with the office. You may meet with more than one attorney. You may meet with various staff people. You'll find that they all have their area of expertise and they are ready and willing to help you. They're knowledgeable in the field. We work hard to get people who are compassionate and caring and will take the time you need to get your estate plan put together in the way that best suits your family.
Rice & Rice, we're ready to take your call. You'll be greeted with someone who can schedule a time for a free initial consultation. You'll receive a package in the mail before you come in that will allow you to do some preparatory work. We'll allow you to fill in an information sheet before you come in. We make it very easy. We'll show you how this kind of estate planning can work for your family.